Video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Suncorp bank if you guys have an online account. So if you guys have a Suncorp bank's online account, then basically you guys can access it from anywhere in the world if you guys just have like an internet, alright? Which is I'm going to be showing you how, alright? Because to access it, you need to log in into your account first. But to get an online account, you need to create an account in the bank first. So if you don't have that account, you can't do this. So go to your bank, create a Suncorp bank account, then come to your computer and sign up for it. Then you guys can log in like this. I'm going to be showing you how. First step, search for Suncorp Bank and click on the internet banking over here. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the internet banking sector. Now once you reach it, what you want to do is you just want to click on login to, and you want to go on internet banking because we want to log into the internet banking sector. Now it's going to take us to the internet banking sectors page where you guys can log in into your account. If you remember your customer ID and password, just enter your customer ID over here and then enter your password over here. Then basically click on login and you should be able to log in into your account. Sometimes it asks you for your token code, but most of the time it doesn't, alright? But if it asks you, then you need to enter a token code, alright? But like most of the time it doesn't, so you can leave it empty, it doesn't matter.